What a gorgeous car just arrived in. It's one that we've previously supplied. It is absolutely beautiful. Very, very rare colour, very rare spec. Mini Cooper S, exclusive to Starlight Blue Metallic. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous example. It is beautiful all the way around. Real pocket rocket. 190 brake horsepower. 7-speed automatic. It is just gorgeous. 2018 on 18 plate. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how nice this car is. This has got many, many, many options, all listed on the website. I'm not even going to try to remember half of those, but it is absolutely stunning. Full service history, been serviced every year all the way through. Original by Mini and then later by us, last couple of services. Just gone through our workshops. Absolutely stunning car, ready for the next owner for his next adventure. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how beautiful, beautiful this car is. Of course, two-tone black roof. It's got rear privacy glass. That's with the badging, Cooper S, and as I say, the colour, I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous. Of course, nice bit of Union Jack on the rear lights. Good size boot on these minis. And it really has been very, very well looked after. Split folding rear seats. Got a protector there. Original carpets there. Lots of storage under there as well. Massive, massive storage space under there. No spare wheel. Toolkit and compressor just under there. So all the loading area nice and clean, not being damaged. Of course, the nice twin chrome pipes there. Got rear parking sensors. All lovely and clean across the rear bumpers. All down the sides. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings. The upgraded gloss black wheels, all in very, very good condition all the way around. Might be the odd tiny little mark on one of those, but generally, as you can see, all undamaged. Plenty of tread on the tyres all the way around. It is just gorgeous. And the attention to detail on the mirrors there. And of course, the repeaters there as well, Union Jack. So close up with the near side front wheel. All undamaged. We've just fitted matching Hancock tyres. So they're all matching all the way around. So brand new tyres on the front. All across the front, lovely and clean. Of course, there'll be the odd tiny stone chip, the odd mark, but nothing major at all. And this is why we do the full close-up videos, to show you full transparency, nothing to hide, so you can make an informed decision in the comfort of your armchair, like many, many customers do. The driver's wheel again, good close-up. Of course, as I mentioned, the new tyre as well there, all down the sides. The final wheel, again, great condition, and again, plenty of tread. You've got keyless entry as well, so press the button, locks the car, press the button, and you're away. All the door trims, all perfect, no damage. Show you to the back, all the rear seats, black headlining, all undamaged, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Front sport seats, you've got leather and Alcantara stitching there at the end of it. Again, all perfect, no damage to those seats. Of course, you can adjust the bolsters, get it comfortable there. Leather sport steering wheel, John Kipper Works steering wheel on it. All the interior trim, absolutely all undamaged, all unmarked. Just beautiful. Keyless start, 52,438 is the mileage, 52,438. Nice big clear navigation, all controlled from the module there. Got all the controls there for the map, navigation, radio, etc. Let's show you a bit more about it on there. Zoom in, full menu on there. All very, very easy to control on there. Got the menu there. Set it to various driver profiles, whatever you want on there. Radio stations, all again very straightforward on that. Great sound system on it. So various menus on there, Mini Connect, notifications, Bluetooth phone connection, USB. So all very, very straightforward. Nice display on there. Dual zone climate control, heated front seats, drive modes. Configure that how you want it. Mid, green. It also shows up on the dashboard in front of you there as well. Of course, you've got the paddle shift gear change, cruise control speed limiter, stereo functions on there, Bluetooth phone. You can have the drive modes on the sport, on the manual mode, so you can slide across there, change gears like a manual. Okay, it shows up on the dashboard, manual mode 1, 2, etc. on there. Or just leave it in drive and let it do its own thing. Of course, you've got rear parking sensors. A bit further down there, you've got USB aux input. Of course, you can change the mood lighting inside as well. Central armrest, bit of storage in there. Of course, we've got 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. What a stunning example in this gorgeous, gorgeous colour. As I mentioned, full service history. We've just done a full service on the vehicle. Replaced the 2 matching tyres that I mentioned, the Hankook tyres. We welcome part exchange. Great finance, always available direct from ourselves. Use that online finance calculator to work out your low deposit, your low monthly payments, apply direct. It is very, very quick and easy to apply on the finance. Remember, if you fancy this at 2 o'clock in the morning, hit the reserve button. Reserve, and remember our full money back guarantee. If you think the car is not as described when you come to collect it, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. Simple, easy, hassle-free way to buy your next car. We make it so, so easy. As I mentioned, if you do fancy it, hit the reserve. Nobody else can buy the car. Come and collect by showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further details how that operates. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist cars established since 1997, that's 28 years. Same site, same premises, same business owner. That's what it's about, continuity. So there we have it. Any further information, please just give us a call on 01782 822 700. Happy to help with any further questions. If you have a part exchange, just give us the full details. We'll happily give you a guide price of what your car's worth to us. The more accurate the description you give us, the more we can give you the price for it. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.